Welcome to GBI Cars and a walk around video of our 2019 Mazda CX5 Sport Nav Plus. This car comes with a 2-litre petrol engine and the automatic gearbox, which is ULEZ compliant, producing 163 brake horsepower, and while still returning up to 36 miles to the gallon. The insurance group is 16, and this is a one-owner vehicle, having covered just over 10,000 miles and has been serviced 5 times during that period, so really impressive service history. This lovely colour is the metallic deep crystal blue mica and looks in good condition for the age and mileage of the car. As we open it up, the Sport Nav Plus comes with an amazing list of features. A few that I can mention is you've got your electric heated memory front seats there, as you can see, in great condition. There's an armrest and 2 cup holders there in the centre for the front passengers too. Onto the dashboard, you've got your multimedia screen there on top of the dashboard for your Apple Carplay, satellite navigation, DAB radio and Bluetooth. And this car also has climate control, as well as automatic headlights and wipers, folding door mirrors, and then you've also got the button just there on the left hand side for the heated steering wheel, so ideal for the winter months. And then finally, on the roof, you've got a sunroof as well, which lets in plenty of light. The CX5 is a great car for the family, so opening the rear doors reveals a good amount of legroom and headroom. The rear bench has 3 individual seat belts, and rear passengers have their own air vents there in the centre too. And opening the tailgate, which is electric, reveals a really good sized boot there, ideal for going away with the family, with the split folding rear seats and the parcel shelf that's still in place. And then underneath the boot floor, you have some extra storage and also your Bose subwoofer for your sound system as well. Externally, the car comes with LED daytime running lights, front and rear parking sensors, the 19-inch gunmetal alloy wheels, and also a colour reversing camera. The car's also been independently inspected by the AA, who've been through a 128-point check for your peace of mind. And you'll also receive 12 months AA breakdown cover, a 3-month warranty that you can extend up to 3 years, and we can help you finance the car with no deposit up to 5 years. So if you have any questions or you'd like to book a test drive, then please do give us a call. The number's 01525 305 016. Thanks for watching.